Every 30 minutes in America, someone dies from colon cancer. Right now, thousands of people are walking around with no idea that inside their bodies, a silent killer is growing. What if I told you that this killer is not only preventable, but when caught early, has a 95% survival rate? Welcome back to Nutrinook. Today we are taking you on a journey inside your body to understand one of the most common, yet least talked about, forms of cancer. Let us start with something we all have but rarely think about: the colon. This amazing organ, also known as your large intestine, is a vital part of your digestive system. Think of your colon as nature's most efficient recycling plant. Every day, it processes gallons of digestive material, extracts vital water and nutrients, houses of trillions of beneficial bacteria, and helps maintain your body's delicate balance. Your colon wall has 4 main layers: the mucosa, your colon's inner lining; the submucosa, a supportive layer with blood vessels; the muscularies, the muscle layer; the serosa, the protective outer layer. In a healthy colon, cells grow and die in a carefully controlled cycle. But sometimes, something goes wrong. Cells begin to multiply uncontrollably. These abnormal cells form small growths called polyps. Not all polyps become cancerous, but nearly all colon cancers start as polyps. This process usually takes 7 to 10 years, which gives us a crucial window for prevention. The numbers are startling. Over 1 lakh new cases each year. Nearly 50,000 deaths annually. 1 in 20 Americans will develop colon cancer. It is the third most common cancer in both men and women. But here is what makes this even more tragic: it is one of the most preventable forms of cancer. Now, let us talk about the warning signs your body might be sending you. And if you understand these symptoms at the right time and start treatment the right time, then it is reversible. 1. Changes in bowel habits. If you notice persistent changes in your bathroom routine, pay attention. Your body is trying to tell you something. Normal bowel movements should be regular, soft but formed, easy to pass, brown in color. Any significant change that lasts more than a few days deserves attention. While anyone can develop colon cancer, certain factors increase your risk. Age. Risk increases after 45. Average diagnosis age 60. But younger people are not immune. Family history. First-degree relatives with cancer before 55. Multiple family members affected. Certain inherited conditions. Lifestyle factors is the most common factor. Diet high in processed meats. Lack of physical activity. Obesity. Smoking and excessive alcohol. Now for the good news: prevention is possible. Screening options. 1. Colonoscopy. Gold standard screening. Can prevent cancer by removing polyps. Usually needed every 10 years. 2. Virtual colonoscopy. Uses CT scanning. Less invasive option. Requires follow-up if polyps found. Treatment depends on stage. Surgery, chemotherapy, radiation, targeted therapy, immunotherapy. Do not let silence be your killer. Do not let embarrassment steal your tomorrow. Your life is worth more than a moment of discomfort. The time to act is now. If you are watching this and recognize any of these symptoms, do not wait. Schedule an appointment with your doctor today. Your life might depend on it.